This is dope. This is so sick. Oh my god. I want to show you guys an amazing brand, Aporro. They have everything for everyone, from necklaces, earrings, rings, pendants, chokers, you name it, they have everything. We got 2 necklaces and it comes in this cute little elegant, nice looking box, and it's like, I'm gonna propose this to you guys. Do you guys wanna marry me? Guys, so look, here, I'm gonna get mine and you get yours.
All right, so I got the mini cross tennis necklace.
Yes, and I got a white gold Cuban choker. And just look at the detail in this, guys. It looks super nice and has like a double-sided. So it has the plain and the icy side. So look, I'm gonna get a little closer. It has this nice little clasp, and honestly, I've had issues with like other necklaces in the past where I just like lose them because they fall off. And this one has a nice secure lock, and on top of that, it has like these 2 little side clips. You guys see them? And it locks in perfectly. Okay,
and this one is just like a normal type of clasp, like a normal necklace, but it's really nice quality. It looks even better in person, honestly. So this one is the 18-inch length, which I like because it's kind of a medium length. It's not too long or too short. So you can wear it with other necklaces layered too, like a smaller choker if you wanted to. So yeah, that's the 18.
This is dope. This is so sick. Oh my god.
So in the box, in the package, it comes with this bag. So if you're traveling, it can stay safe. Because I know when I'm traveling and you bring a bunch of necklaces, they get all tangled together and then they get all messed up. Just like a cleaner. If you want to, like, you know, dust it off.
Just clean it off, yeah. I love this brand because you can honestly wear anything from earrings, rings, necklaces, pendants. And the best part is that you can customize your own necklace to your own name, your own brand, your mom's name, your dog's name, your girlfriend's name, whatever you want. You can customize it and they'll do it for you. Yeah, it's dope, it's dope. If you want to give your mom, your dad, your grandma a gift, use discount code AbleCarden, $10 off. Follow him on Instagram, social media, YouTube. Let's go.